Yes, Shabab. Which one is the most stable? Blue, black, red. Which one is the most stable function?
Blue, teacher, blue.
The first
Blue
one.
is the most stable. This one is the most stable. Which one is the most unstable?
Good, teacher.
Red. Red is the most unstable. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. This one is more stable as compared to this and less stable as compared to this. Right, Shabab? What is error here, Shabab? If we say this is, for example, 5, what is error here?
What, teacher? Constant.
5. You can say percent. What is error here, Shabab? Here, what is error? Some brothers they are writing 5 by t, 5t. Where is 5 here? There is no 5 here. It is starting from 0. This is 0, this is 0. Changing with time, that's good. Okay. If it is changing with time, so what does it mean? This is not changing with time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the time it is constant, 5. So there is no t here.
B minus BB.
No t. Here, for example, at 1, it is 1. At 2, it is 2. At 3 minutes, it is 3 minutes. 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 At 4, it is 4. At 5, it is 5. So, what is error here? Okay, tell me what is slope. Slope is not the error. Slope is just the, you can say, the number, the constant with the equation.
The span.
So, what is error here? This line has what equation? Can somebody find the equation of this line?
1, teacher, 1.
What is the equation of this line?
Integral, teacher.
Yeah, tell me, a lot of brothers are writing the equation. Tell me here, what is error here equal to? Lot of brothers are writing
Slope, teacher. Slope, teacher. Slope.
writing the formula. Lot of brothers they are sending me the formula. The formula, you take the two numbers, put them in, find the equation.
Teacher, delta E over delta delta T.
That is, again you are telling me the slope. You know the equation of the line. Y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Take the equation of the line, take any two numbers, find.
1.
No, not 0, not 1. It is changing
Teacher.
with the time.
Integration, teacher.
Yes.
Integration for E.
Huh?
Integration.
What is error here? What is error here, Shabab? Take any 2 points. Take this point. Take this point. Find the equation of the line. Yes, Shabab.
Plus 1 over 3 minus 1 would be 1 over 1, D1.
Y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. If you apply this equation, what you get? Error. Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying? Somebody is trying, Shabab? Yeah, okay. Some brothers they are writing yes. Okay. Please tell me how much you got. If we apply this equation, we will get the error is equal to t. Can we verify it? Is it really t? If t is 1, how much error? 1. If t is 2, how much error? 2. If t is 3, how much error? 3. If t is 4, how much error? 4. If t is 5, how much error? 5. Shabab with me? Okay. How much is error here now? For this equation, what is error? Here. What is error, Shabab? Error is equal to what here? Yes, Shabab. T is like this straight line. It is not straight line. Lot of brothers they are writing T. T is already here.
T square, teacher.
T square. That's good. T square. T square. Okay, Shabab. This one is the most stable, right? This one is the most
unstable,
Yep.
teacher.
Most unstable. Very good. And this is middle. More stable than this one and less stable than this one. Right? Okay. If we want to go from here, from constant to changing, what we should do mathematically? Yes, Shabab. We have this constant error. We want to bring the t. What we should do? Mathematically, what we should do? Very good.
Great.
Lot of brothers they are writing integral. So if we take the integral of both sides, integration, so we get 5t. So 5 is constant, no problem, but t is there. This t is there. That's what we want. So we need to do the integration from constant to here integration. Again, from t we're gonna get the t square. What we need to do? This is t. We wanna bring the t square.
Integral again.
So what we need to do? Yes, Shabab. From t to 2t square, what we need to do? Again, very good. Lot of brothers are writing integral again. So we integrate it again. What is the integration of t, Shabab? What is the integration of t?
To a to
Power 1
is
plus
What is the integration of t? T just
to
t
the
square.
square. No square.
over 2, teacher.
Very good. T square over 2. So again the 2 is constant, no problem. So but when we integrate this one, we get the t square. So integration is making system more unstable or stable? Yes, Shabab.
More unstable, teacher.
More unstable. Very good. Integration is making the system more unstable. More unstable. Right? Okay. This is given. T square is given. We want to bring the t. What we need to do?
Derivative, teacher.
Derivative. Was very good. We need to do derivative. And if we are given this one, t, changing t, we want to bring constant. What we need to do? Again derivative. So derivative is doing what, Shabab? Derivative is making more stable or unstable?
Stable.
Stable. That's good. Yes, Shabab. So derivative is making more stable. Integration is making more unstable. Shabab with me? Okay, a lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay, Shabab. Accelerator. Accelerator in your car. That is integration or differentiation? Accelerator in your car is integration or differentiation?
Integration.
Integration. Very good. And brake in your car is integration or differentiation?
Differentiation.
Brake in your car is what?
Differentiation.
differentiation. That's good. Very good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? Somebody has any question?